Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the exact symptoms: wrong letters, accented characters, or swapped keys. Open Settings and go straight to General then Keyboard so you can see active layouts. Once there, disable any third-party keyboards and remove any recently added layouts that might conflict. Make a quick iCloud backup now if you plan to reset or update. This prevents data loss and lets you proceed without worry. Next, you'll test behavior and apply targeted fixes. You'll diagnose by reproducing the error in notes using each keyboard option. This isolates whether the issue is system-wide or app-specific. If only one layout misbehaves, delete that layout and re-add it, and reset the keyboard dictionary under General to clear learned replacements. Make sure iOS and any keyboard apps are updated, because software bugs often cause character mappings to shift. Once done, test again. If the problem persists, move to deeper resets or restore steps described next. You'll finish with decisive actions. Force restart your iPhone to clear transient state issues, then test typing across mail, messages, and notes. If errors continue, use Reset All settings to revert keyboard and network settings without erasing data. This often restores proper mappings. As a last resort, erase and restore from the backup you made earlier or contact Apple support for hardware-related problems. If nothing fixes it, one key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.